Imagine living abroad for 3 years and still using a wrong bank account in India. That's exactly what happened yesterday. I spoke to an NRI who's been living in California, USA for 3 years now, but he had no idea which Indian bank account he was supposed to use as an NRI. He was normally doing his transaction in his old Indian saving bank account without knowing the penalties. And trust me, he's not the only one. A lot of NRIs are not aware which Indian bank account they can use as an NRI. So here's what I told him in the simplest way possible. There are three types of bank account an NRI can use in India, and each one has a very specific purpose. The first one is NRO account, non-resident ordinary account. This is for the income earned or accrued in India, like rent, dividend, interest, and the income earned in this account is fully taxable in India. The second one is NRE account, non-resident external account. In this account, you can hold and manage your foreign income. The amount will be converted to Indian currency. This is a fully repatriable account and completely tax free in India. And the last one is FCNR account, foreign currency non resident account. This is for fixed deposit in foreign currency to protect your savings from rupee volatility, and the interest is completely tax free in India. Now, here's where most NRIs get stuck. If you do not convert your normal Indian saving bank account after becoming an NRI, it is considered as compliance violations under FEMA and RBI regulations, and the penalties can be up to 3 times of the amount involved or rupees 2 lakh. So, if you are an NRI watching this video, make sure you convert your normal Indian saving bank account to NRO, NRE, or FCNR account, and you know whom to share this reel with. Make sure to follow.